Hi, this is Steve from Morton.Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Descript to transcribe audio into text. First, open Voice Memos on the iPhone. The recording is automatically named after the recording location, so we don't have to make any changes. Tap the red circle to start the recording.
Look at that moss over there, Susan. Isn't it?
Tap the stop button to stop recording. Voice Memos will sync the recording to iCloud automatically. Back on the Mac, open Descript. I'll use Spotlight by pressing Command and Space on the keyboard. You can also click the magnifying glass in the menu bar. Type Descript and press Return. Once Descript opens, click File, New, Project. Since this is a discussion about moss in the forest, I will name this project Moss Discussion. Use Spotlight to open the Voice Memos app. There's the recording from the forest. Click on the recording to highlight it. In the menu bar on the top left, click Voice Memos, and then hover over Services. Depending on the software installed, there will be different options here. We are looking for Show in Finder. Click on it. A Finder window will open, revealing the recording. Drag that file into Descript, then close the Finder window and the Voice Memos app. There will be a prompt about the number of people speaking in the file. Click the drop-down and click Unsure. Descript will figure it out. Once Identify Speakers has shown up, click Get Started. A clip of the first person will start playing.
Look at that moss over there, Susan.
This is Bill. So type in Bill's name, click Add Bill as a speaker, then a clip of the second person will start playing.
Absolutely.
That's Susan. Type Susan, click Add Susan as a speaker. Once all of the people in the recording are named, we can click Close. As with anything man-made, Descript isn't perfect. Notice Fern Moss was transcribed as Vern MAS. Double-click Vern, click Correct, change that to Fern, click Correct. We'll repeat that with MAS, double-click MAS, Correct. Type Moss, click Correct. Once ready to take the transcription out of Descript and into a word processor, click File, Export. The Export panel will open on the right side. Click the Transcript tab in the Format options. There are several file formats. In this example, we'll pick Microsoft Word. Accept the defaults for the remaining options and click the Export button. By default, macOS will provide a minimal save dialog, and the exported document will have the name of the project. To the right of where the file would be saved, click the disclosure triangle and reveal a full Finder window. Under Favorites, click on the Home folder, click on the Docs folder, click Save. The transcript is now a Microsoft Word document in the folder specified. Thank you for watching. If you need help with your technology, visit me on the web at Morton.Tech.